Watching porno on a cracked iPhone screen makes you wonder how you forgot to dream. Something about growing up makes you realize that there's something about giving up hope that seems so civilized. Oh, you talk about the devil like it's your very best friend. Well, there's something in that river water that makes you all pretend that you're not all pretension. You need to step back and look into the mirror. Reevaluate your life and where you're headed to. Because if you lose sight of that, you've lost yourself too. Don't go trying to lose it. Well, there's something in that river water that makes you all pretend that you're not